We may now proceed to item 5 of our agenda, adoption of the second Standing Committee resolution on promoting enhanced international cooperation on the SDGs, in particular on the financial inclusion of women as a driver of development. To introduce this resolution, may I invite to the podium the President of the Standing Committee on Development, Finance and Trade, Ms. Tioulong of Cambodia.
Madam President of the Assembly, Mr. President of the IPU and Mr. Secretary General, it is with great pleasure that I inform you of the outcome of deliberations of the Standing Committee on Sustainable Development, Finance and Trade, which was entrusted with the task of debating item 5 of the Assembly agenda and preparing a draft resolution on promoting enhanced international cooperation on the SDGs, in particular on the financial inclusion of women as a driver of development. The two co-rapporteurs on the item were Senator Gabriela Cuevas de Mexico and Member of Parliament N.K. Premachandran of India. They prepared a draft resolution and an accompanying explanatory note. This work required a lot of time and energy. I take this opportunity to reiterate our thanks to the two co-rapporteurs. The Standing Committee first heard a presentation of the draft resolution by the co-rapporteurs and then held a short debate. A total of 21 speakers took the floor. The Standing Committee then proceeded to considering the proposed amendments in two plenary sittings held on the 2nd and the 3rd of April. We considered altogether 82 amendments to the draft resolution submitted by 15 member parliaments, as well as amendments from the Forum of Women Parliamentarians. Finally, yesterday afternoon, the Second Standing Committee examined the final version of the resolution and unanimously adopted the text as a whole. I was very impressed and very happy by the sense of the consensus that the issue of women's financial inclusion seems to enjoy. The text of this resolution, as approved by the Second Standing Committee, is now before you for your approval. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much. Is the Assembly ready to adopt the resolution? Thank you. The resolution is adopted unanimously.